Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we will delve into the crucial topic of medications, remedies, and conditions that can significantly impact dementia and overall brain health. Understanding the impact of these factors is essential for maintaining cognitive function and overall well-being. Medications and remedies play a vital role in managing various health conditions but can also have unintended consequences on brain health. It's essential to be aware of the potential risks and effects that certain medications may have on cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. As we explore this topic, we aim to provide valuable insights and information to help you make informed decisions about your health and well-being. By understanding how medications and remedies can impact dementia and brain health, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your cognitive function and overall quality of life. Join us as we uncover the intricate relationship between medications, remedies, and brain health. Get ready to be informed, enlightened, and empowered to prioritize your brain health like never before. Stay tuned to learn more about the potential risks and effects of medications and remedies on your cognitive well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Alert! 8 medications that cause serious dementia. Today, we're spotlighting 8 medications that have been linked to causing severe dementia and their potential effects on brain health. It's crucial to be aware of these medications and their impact to make informed decisions about your health. 1. Anticholinergic drugs. These medications, commonly used to treat allergies, overactive bladder, and depression, have been associated with an increased risk of dementia. They block acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory and cognitive function. 2. Benzodiazepines. Prescribed for anxiety and sleep disorders, benzodiazepines can impair memory and cognitive function, leading to an increased risk of dementia over time. 3. Statins. While statins are widely used to lower cholesterol levels, some studies suggest a potential link between statin use and cognitive decline, including memory loss and confusion. 4. Antidepressants. Certain antidepressants, particularly tricyclic antidepressants, have been associated with an increased risk of dementia in older adults. 5. Proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, used to treat acid reflux and ulcers. PPIs have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. 6. Antipsychotic drugs. These medications, often prescribed for schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, can have serious side effects on brain health, including an increased risk of dementia. 7. Opioids. Long-term use of opioids for pain management has been linked to cognitive impairment and an increased risk of dementia. 8. Sleep medications. Drugs like zolpidem and other sedatives can disrupt standard sleep patterns, leading to cognitive impairment and an increased risk of dementia. Discuss any concerns about these medications with your healthcare provider. Consider alternative treatments or precautions to minimize the potential risks associated with these medications and prioritize your brain health. Alert! 10 popular remedies that can cause dementia. In this eye-opening segment, we will uncover 10 commonly used remedies that can potentially cause dementia and shed light on how they can impact brain function. Being informed about these remedies is essential to protect your cognitive well-being. 1. Aluminum-containing antacids. Despite their widespread use for heartburn and indigestion, aluminum-containing antacids have been linked to cognitive impairment and an increased risk of dementia. 2. Herbal supplements. While often perceived as natural and safe, certain herbal supplements can interact with medications or have neurotoxic effects that may harm brain health. 3. Ginkgo biloba. Widely touted for its memory-enhancing properties, ginkgo biloba can adversely affect cognition and may increase the risk of dementia in some individuals. 4. Melatonin supplements. Melatonin supplements are used for sleep disorders but can also disrupt regular sleep-wake cycles and impact cognitive function over time. 5. Vitamin E supplements. High doses of vitamin E supplements have been associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia in older adults. 6. Fish oil supplements. While omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil benefit brain health, excessive intake can lead to cognitive impairment and potential risks for dementia. 7. St. John's wort. Often used for depression, St. John's wort can interact with medications and affect neurotransmitter levels, potentially impacting cognitive function. 8. Valerian root. Commonly used for anxiety and sleep disorders, valerian root may have sedative effects that can impair cognitive function and memory. 9. Kava. Used for relaxation and stress relief, kava has been linked to liver toxicity and cognitive impairment in some individuals. 10. Homeopathic remedies. Despite their popularity, some homeopathic remedies may contain ingredients that adversely affect brain health and cognitive function. Be cautious when using these remedies and consider safer alternatives or practices to maintain cognitive well-being. Consult a healthcare provider before incorporating new remedies into your routine to safeguard your brain health. Alert! 11 popular remedies that damage the brain and doctors don't tell you. In this critical discussion, we will delve into 11 remedies known to damage the brain, often overlooked by medical professionals, and provide insights into their effects on brain health. Awareness of these damaging remedies is essential to protect your cognitive well-being. 1. Lead-based traditional remedies. Some traditional remedies, such as certain Ayurvedic medicines and Chinese herbal products, may contain lead, a neurotoxin that can harm brain function over time. 2. Mercury-containing skin lightening creams. Skin lightening creams containing mercury can lead to mercury poisoning, which can affect the brain and nervous system. 3. Hydroquinone-based skin products. Hydroquinone, commonly used in skin lightening products, has been linked to neurotoxicity and potential damage to brain cells. 4. Formaldehyde-releasing hair straightening treatments. Formaldehyde, a known carcinogen, can have neurotoxic effects and impact brain health when used in hair straightening treatments. 5. Aluminum-based deodorants. Aluminum compounds in deodorants have been associated with cognitive impairment and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 6. Parabens in personal care products. Parabens, commonly used as preservatives in cosmetics and personal care products, can disrupt hormone function and potentially impact brain health. 7. Phthalate in fragrances. Phthalate in many perfumes and personal care products have been linked to neurodevelopmental disorders and cognitive impairment. 8. Artificial sweeteners. Some artificial sweeteners, like aspartame, have been associated with neurological symptoms and potential harm to brain health. 9. MSG, monosodium glutamate, a flavor enhancer commonly used in processed foods. MSG has been linked to neurotoxic effects and cognitive impairment in some individuals. 10. Pesticides in food. Residual pesticides can have neurotoxic effects and impact brain health, especially with long-term exposure. 11. Fluoride in water and dental products. Excessive fluoride intake has been associated with neurotoxicity and potential harm to brain development, particularly in children. Despite doctors' lack of awareness regarding the potential harm caused by these remedies, it's crucial to empower yourself with knowledge on how to identify and avoid such damaging substances. Prioritize your brain health by making informed choices and seeking safer alternatives to protect your cognitive function and overall well-being. Lewy body dementia. In this segment, we will delve into the complex world of Lewy body dementia, shedding light on its symptoms, progression, and management strategies. Understanding this unique form of dementia is crucial for providing optimal care and support to individuals affected by this condition. Lewy body dementia is characterized by abnormal protein deposits in the brain, known as Lewy bodies. These deposits can lead to a range of cognitive, motor, and psychiatric symptoms, setting it apart from other forms of dementia, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Individuals with Lewy body dementia may experience fluctuating cognition, visual hallucinations, movement difficulties, sleep disturbances, and autonomic dysfunction. The unpredictable symptoms can pose significant challenges for individuals with the condition and their caregivers. Caregivers of individuals with Lewy body dementia often face unique challenges due to the complex and fluctuating nature of the symptoms. Providing a supportive and understanding environment is essential for maintaining the well-being of both the individual with dementia and their caregiver. Tips for supporting individuals living with Lewy body dementia include: 1. Creating a structured routine. 2. Ensuring a safe environment. 3. Promoting physical activity. 4. Fostering open communication. Additionally, seeking support from healthcare professionals, support groups, and community resources can help caregivers effectively manage the complexities of Lewy body dementia. By raising awareness and offering support, we can enhance the quality of life for individuals living with Lewy body dementia and their caregivers, fostering a compassionate and inclusive community for those affected by this challenging condition. Memory loss. In this informative segment, we will explore the causes, types, and management of memory loss, underscoring the importance of early detection and intervention to preserve cognitive function and overall well-being. Memory loss can manifest in various forms, ranging from average age-related memory decline to pathological conditions like mild cognitive impairment, MCI, and dementia. Differentiating between these types of memory loss is essential to determining appropriate interventions and support. Average age-related memory decline often involves occasional forgetfulness and mild lapses in memory, which is considered a natural part of the aging process. However, persistent and worsening memory issues may indicate underlying pathological conditions that require medical attention. Seeking medical advice for persistent memory issues is crucial for accurate diagnosis and timely intervention. Early detection of conditions like MCI or dementia allows for proactive management strategies to slow disease progression and improve quality of life. Memory-boosting strategies and lifestyle modifications can significantly enhance cognitive function and support brain health. Regular physical exercise, a balanced diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients, staying mentally active through puzzles and mental exercises, managing stress levels, and getting adequate sleep are all essential components of a holistic approach to preserving memory and cognitive function. By prioritizing early detection, seeking medical guidance, and adopting memory-enhancing strategies, individuals can take proactive steps to maintain and improve their memory function, promoting overall cognitive health and well-being. Early onset dementia. In this segment, we will address the challenges and implications of early onset dementia, shedding light on its impact on individuals and their families. Understanding the factors contributing to dementia at a younger age is crucial for providing appropriate support and care. Several factors can contribute to the development of dementia at a younger age, including genetic predisposition, lifestyle factors, head injuries, and certain medical conditions. Early onset dementia can present unique challenges, as individuals may still be in the workforce or raising a family when symptoms begin to manifest. Individuals diagnosed with early onset dementia and their families may face significant emotional, financial, and social challenges. Coping with cognitive decline and changes in behavior can be overwhelming, requiring a solid support system and access to resources tailored to their specific needs. Support resources such as dementia care programs, support groups, counseling services, and respite care can provide valuable assistance to individuals navigating the complexities of early onset dementia. Developing coping mechanisms, fostering open communication, and maintaining a sense of routine and structure can help individuals and their families cope with the challenges of living with dementia at a younger age. Raising awareness about the importance of early diagnosis and proactive management is essential for improving outcomes and quality of life for individuals with early onset dementia. By promoting early intervention, access to specialized care, and ongoing support, we can empower individuals and families affected by early onset dementia to navigate this challenging journey with resilience and dignity. Caregiver for dementia patient. Caring for a patient can be rewarding and challenging. This section will provide guidance and tips for individuals in this role, focusing on self-care and effective caregiving strategies to enhance the quality of care provided to dementia patients. Caregivers of dementia patients often face emotional and physical challenges as they navigate the complexities of caring for a loved one with cognitive decline. Witnessing the progression of the disease, managing behavioral changes, and coping with the demands of caregiving can take a toll on the caregiver's adequate support of dementia patients. Caregivers must prioritize self-care to prevent burnout and maintain their health and resilience. Managing caregiver stress involves 1. Setting boundaries. 2. Seeking support from family and friends. 3. Taking breaks. 4. Engaging in activities that promote relaxation and rejuvenation. Practical advice for managing caregiver stress and burnout includes practicing mindfulness, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, seeking professional support when needed, and staying connected with a support network. Caregivers must recognize their limits and seek help when feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. Empowering caregivers with tools and resources, such as dementia care education, respite care services, support groups, and community resources, can enhance their caregiving skills and improve the quality of care provided to dementia patients. By prioritizing self-care and adopting effective caregiving strategies, caregivers can navigate the challenges of caring for dementia patients with compassion, patience, and resilience. It's crucial to differentiate between average age-related memory decline and pathological memory loss, seek medical advice for persistent memory issues, and adopt memory-boosting strategies and lifestyle modifications to enhance cognitive function. Understanding the unique characteristics of conditions like Lewy body dementia and early-onset dementia can help individuals and caregivers navigate the challenges and implications of these conditions with compassion and resilience. By prioritizing early detection, seeking support resources, and practicing effective caregiving strategies, we can improve outcomes and quality of life for those affected by dementia. Remember, being informed and proactive about brain health is critical to maintaining cognitive function and overall well-being. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing this video, and exploring further content on dementia and brain health. Let's continue to raise awareness, support one another, and prioritize brain health for a brighter future. Thank you for watching.